Hello guys, it's Pushpensi and welcome back to my channel.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So today we are going to talk about exactly what I eat in a day, how many calories do I consume in a day, and how I manage my protein intake. So for personally tracking exactly what I am eating, I need to know my maintenance calorie. Right now in my life, I am just trying to maintain where I am. I'm not trying to gain weight. I'm not trying to lose weight. I think I'm satisfied with where I am right now. For future, I can't say. I might gain a little bit weight because I want to gain more muscles. But for now, I think I'm just maintaining my weight. So exactly how many calories do you need to maintain? वो आपको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. Either you can go for the mathematical formula that I have provided on the screen, or you can just simply enter your weight, height in the links I have provided in the description box. All you need to do is कि आपको अपना aim, अपनी height, अपना weight and अपनी body के measurements आप उसमें डाल सकते हैं and you'll get to know your maintenance calories. एंड इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू लूज योर वेट, आप बहुत सिंपल है, उसमें से आप अपनी 500 से 300 कैलोरीज का डेफिसिट क्रिएट कर दो या आप उसके अंदर 300 या 500 का सरप्लस क्रिएट कर दो, तो इट विल बी बैलेंस्ड आउट एंड आप अपने एम के अकॉर्डिंग गेन करना है, लूज करना है, कुछ भी कर सकते हो. राइट नाउ करंटली इन माई लाइफ आई एम ईटिंग 1700 कैलोरीज. तो आई जस्ट शो यू क्विकली कि एग्जैक्टली 1700 कैलोरीज खाना दिखता कितना है, कितनी क्वांटिटी होती है. So I start my day with having haldi wala pani, and after that I have few almonds, 10 to 12 almonds according to how hungry I am, and then I have an apple which keeps me full for around 2 hours. After 2 hours I have my breakfast around 10:30 a.m. For breakfast today I am having besan ka chila, but I also like having moong dal ka chila, poha, upma, idli and chutney, anything that I feel like. For lunch today I am having salad, curd, 2 chapatis and soya matar ki sabzi, which is one of my favorites and extremely high in protein. Although I don't like curd, but I try and have it every day with my lunch because of the benefits it have for your gut. At 3 to 4 p.m. in evening, I like having a cup of black coffee which keeps me awake for a longer time. Then at 6, I like having my protein shake and some ghee roasted makhanas. And after that, if I still feel a little bit hungry, I eat any seasonal food available. Then at 8 to 9 p.m. at night, I like having my dinner, and on the most days, I prefer having paneer toast. This amount of food I eat on the regular basis to maintain where I am, and it's approximate 1700 calories, which is perfectly fine for me. So इस सब के साथ साथ, as you saw, my every meal actually consists a lot amount of protein. As I'm a vegetarian, तो मुझे मेरी प्रोटीन का थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है बिकॉज वेजिटेरियन सोर्सेज में आपको उतना हाई क्लास एंड उतना ज़्यादा प्रोटीन नहीं मिल पाता है जितना कि आपको नॉन वेजिटेरियन सोर्सेज में मिलता है. इस सब के अलावा आई डू कंज्यूम वे ऑन माई रेगुलर बेसिस. सम पीपल हैव सर्टेन मिसकंसेप्शंस अबाउट वे. आई थिंक वे इज वन ऑफ द वेरी फाइनेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ प्रोटीन एनीबडी कुड कंज्यूम. एंड एज लॉन्ग एज आप डिहाइड्रेटेड नहीं हो, आप पानी पी रहे हो, यू आर प्रॉपरली हाइड्रेटेड, आई थिंक वे इज द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन फॉर योर प्रोटीन इनटेक. इट्स वेरी easy to consume. I understand that it's a little bit on the expensive side, but I think if you can afford, please invest in good whey and consume whey protein, because if you want to gain muscles and if you want to sustain your muscles, whey is a very very good form of protein that you can have. It's a very high quality protein. You can not only consume whey, but there are multiple other types of plant protein that are available in market if you're vegan, and those can be a great option for you as well. Right now I am working out hardly 3 to 5 times a week. To be honest, not even 5 times, only 3 times, as my life is getting a little bit busier. So 3 times to 4 times is perfectly okay with me, and that's exactly why I'm having 1700 calories. Sometimes when I'm doing my weight training and I'm working very hard, my calories can go up to 1900 calories a day, or even more than that, whatever my aim is according. Maybe next question that you must be having, that कि मुझे कैसे पता कि इस खाने में कितनी कैलोरीज हैं, या एक चपाती या किसी भी सब्जी या एक बोल कर्ड में कितनी कैलोरीज होती हैं, हाउ डू आई कैलकुलेट दैट? इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. टुडे वी आर लिविंग इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. बहुत सिंपल है. एप्लीकेशंस आर अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन जिनको आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. मैं भी उन्हीं एप्लीकेशंस पे अपनी कैलोरीज डे टू डे बेसिस पे कैलकुलेट करती हूँ. सो आप इजीली कोई भी एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड कर सकते हो और उसके थ्रू आप अपनी कैलोरीज काउंट कर सकते हो. पर्सनली आई कैन रिकमेंड माई फिटनेस पैल एंड हेल्दी फाइमी. इन दोनों के लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हुए हैं. आप जाके इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. This app is my fitness pal. All I do is whatever I'm eating, I just add it in the app and get to know the total amount of calories I'm consuming. I do this a night before and I have a full day planned ahead of me, and because of this, I end up not binging on the various food items. Not only this, but this app also lets you track your protein, carbs, and fat intake very conveniently. And using this app only, I manage my protein intake daily. All you need to do is कि आपको पता है कि आपकी मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज कितनी है. आपके पास एप्स हैं कि आप अपना खाना ट्रैक कर सकते हो. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. जितना खा रहे हो जस्ट ट्रैक इट एंड यू विल नो कि आपको आपके एम तक पहुंचने के लिए क्या करना है. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई थिंक यू मस्ट बी हैविंग इज कि हम मेजर कैसे करें कि कितना खाना खा रहे हैं. बहुत सिंपल है. देयर आर मल्टीपल टाइप्स ऑफ weighing machine that are available for your food. The one that I use is from Amazon Basics. I've given the link for that also in the description box. How much quantity of food you're eating, just track it, just know what you're eating, and you're on your way. The way I count my calories is based on how much I work out. If I'm working out extremely hard, my calories can easily go up and I consume a lot of protein. And as long as I'm not working out that much, I just cut down on my calories and I eat a little bit less. अगर मैं इस टाइम पे बिल्कुल भी वर्कआउट नहीं कर रही होती तो I would have been having at least 1500 calories a day to just maintain where I am. And if you're trying to lose it, just cut 300 calories more from that amount. And losing weight is just basic permutation and combination that you have to do. बहुत सिंपल है. just पता होना चाहिए कि आप कितना खा रहे हो, किस हिसाब से खा रहे हो, एंड आपके पास फूड ट्रैकिंग एप्स होने चाहिए आपके फोन में जिससे आपको आइडिया लगता रहेगा कि आप कितना कंज्यूम कर रहे हो खाना. समटाइम्स आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट पीपल कंसिडर दैट कैलकुलेटिंग और मेजरिंग योर कैलोरीज इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ऑब्सेसिवनेस, but I don't think it is. You can invest so much in other things, and I think a little bit of investment of your time on your health and your aim, I don't think it's really bad. I think it's extremely positive and good note to just know what you're eating and how much you're eating, and I think you should count your calories. I do enjoy having all the junk food in the world. Exactly how I managed to get away with that is very simple. Either I work out a little bit more or I cut down on my calories next day and you're sorted. That's exactly it. If you're burning more amount of calories than you're eating, then you're going to lose weight. If you're eating more amount of calories than you're burning, you're simply going to gain weight. It's that simple. And if you are eating exactly the same amount of calories that you're burning, you're going to maintain your weight. It's simple mathematics. I completely understand that certain things that I'm sharing with you might sound too good to be true, but trust me, this is exactly what I did to lose weight, and you can too. It's not only about, it's not only about losing weight, it's about actually what do you want to feel about your body, exactly what do you want to do with your body. It can be just maintaining where you are. You just want to feel fit and feel healthier, or you can just want to put on few kgs or lose few kgs. It's just simple mathematics that you need to follow. It's just you need to know exactly how much you're eating and what you're eating, and you're on your way. That's simple. Just try these things once, and I'm telling you that you will be able to achieve what you want to with your body. In the end, all I want to say is that just love yourself, love your body, because this is the exactly thing that is going to stay with you for the rest of your life. focus on eating healthy, focus on eating good, work out more, and you're on your way to achieve what you want to. It's not only about gaining weight, it's not only about losing weight, it's about exactly how you feel, how you want to feel in your body. So work hard and stay happy and healthy. Bye. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you really think you like the video, please give the thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Leave your comments down below. I'll be really happy to reply to all of you. And thank you so much.